relationship chola mati kwa to dang chik mang puchi chungyo wa na dang al hlui sha yi snge ge chi tu yesyo mari da koncho ge lam de nang kire la chi me o thende do ji kiran zo ge ka sange ge pe ata shuk chimbo che da du sewa shuk chimbo che da du yung ne tro thende do chungyo yo wa ji tengi da de live is speeding up da kiran ge live yo gyok pu dur ta da kiran ge live dukcha gyok pu dur yo busy chang le ten se ge te to an guidance la pe pala ka shu ani tarang ge reading di part 2 ra kiran ge lo tak ta look tel cha ki pak tin an khano chi im ba na ngin du de kiran ge chi real ani shwe ra kiran ge chi the next 7 days tarik chuptin ne nishu chaksum parla reading la shwe yi kiran ge chi ra tarik chuptin ne ni sabtin parla kiran ge chi to kare kare chungidu and guidance kare kare thura mixe ge on thende ani kiran ge kare attract chi gidu ani on thende reading ye la shwe ra ani kiran ge chi the time stamp ding description la shagin yi ani khalawre kyokle di ni so ge speed playback speed la de change che chira ani so khali ko yosamna ni de la lele chine khali tang ya to 0.95 ani yang kyokpo tangi samba na 1.25 ra o thinde ani takta di du samnge the zone ke change ma go che on de la shyi ani lotak de korim shin thangbo lotak ta ni ko chugira Tashile ta lota su kirangi lota ta yamba ningin tung di kirangi chi the next 7 days la khare khare chungu du tarik chuptin ni shu chak sum parla ra tarik chuptin ni shu chak sum parla ani kirang la khare khare tu ani thangbo kirangi current energy check chegora currently kirangi energy kande do chikeni thigi dura o di check chengi ra okay current energy la kirang zo hang sa energetic current energetic khangla desha ya pe ta positivity good news energetic chigera da kale dugri shuk chimbo kya thu ya pe kale shuk chimbo da so yi kari thokla ne chi kale shuk chimbo kya gyo tho ting dura dugri pe shuk chimbo kya gyo ra you are working very hard towards something to achieve and chirdan kiran so gi tis chik tende yosare kali shuk chimbu kyanan lega khari ne dup thogya ra so so la dibu pi yak bu din thogya on tende do chi namgyun kiran gi da samlo e de ki gi ta kali yak bu kyana dibu thingir ta la edira on tende do chi kali magyana ge chik chungu mare ta khachi yora da le law ngone chik dik tuguri samedi kiran gi samlo khirgi yosamare nge sembala kiran gi samlo khirdang da chik chedang ani kiran gi yana recently da ra current energy kala pe kali shuk chimbu jane dibu tyang gi try on de thongidura kiran current energy thende do shi thongidu ani kirangi current energy o dagarang resha career chola pe shuk chimbo kali ge gyo do luptu ina lupchong chiala pe shuk chimbo kali ke do da ani yang lega chingi de zon so lega chola business chola pe kali shuk chimbo gem chik tadik chi gyo do chira chik tadik to chik ta thende chik cheo lan tadik sem la pe planning shuk chimbo khe chira future gi planning to da ta sai na thende cheo tadik shuk chimbo chi gyo do chi current energy kiran sa cheo you are ready to do you are ready to take action okay this is your current energy as well and okay ani karili dulan consult chera an kiran so gita yang team work to kashi yang current energy la kari dulan team work to so ji ge chu ji go chu min du samba na che ji zane this ji so yi zane jangya ra o ne do ani che ji karili du lamtun khadi chi du ra ta di so yi kari chola ni financial ya ko so e chola relationship ya ko so e chi du ta kari bai ne che ji ni ra kiran gi this lamtun follow chi ni ra an kari recently da kiran gi current energy la ra kiran gi che ji khandi lamtun chi do ndi ga shukchimbu follow chigyo follow shukchimbu chigyo do tingidura kirangi current energy on tende do chigdo okay you are consulting about your financial or this can be your relationship okay you are learning something from the professional okay this can be anything this is your current energy you're very energetic you're planning you're ready to take action and you're planning you're working very hard and you're taking some consultant from the professional about your relationship this might be about your career financial or relationship this can be anything da okay this is your current energy kirangi current energy today do shitingi da ani kang to pay positivity pay optimistic there trying to be very optimistic okay towards your future ra oh thinking and can I get you the next 7 days guidance okay guidance karili dura okay guidance la karili dula na tangbora team work rang redu and team work che goya shimbagi advice kare ti du this ngin koya on the guidance leader shimbagi this come twin che namgyun soso gi du pa kyang che de gyo na this chik shimbagi kare la du idea kare ti du shimba kyawang de zogyo da current lagi tu tende kang la ti chik de nang che ko chik tung dura ani kar tung dula na kerangi financial chocolate is chik kerang gira idea sawa and raya todang ale on de do chitung dur kerang gira na guidance la khari dulan team work do ani blessings la kenan la di du kare idea sawa and financial yakpo soe chi dura so la ya business job opportunity young ideas so yang khaji chi du ya relationship opportunity then they lead relationship sawa and go together the dopo sawa domo sawa ya na boyfriend girlfriend sawa then some new relationships opportunities coming towards you in this next 7 days, and this can be job opportunity, okay, financial opportunity, or this can be relationship opportunity. You are receiving some new opportunities, or new opportunity is coming your way for this week. And the guidance is listen to the elder or the professional, okay, professionals advice. You have to listen. Sometimes you have to listen their advices as well. Don't always follow your own thoughts, your own mind only. Listen, and teamwork is the best for this week, okay. This is your guidance. So teamwork is going to be very good for whatever you do, okay. On the do guidance the lead do and kerang che do ratang bo so health the getchimbo you dang bo health card to get kerang che do health next 7 days health, okay, health hang sang ya do the lovers card health very positive rough fruitful result kerang health chola gari chikali gagi ne on the la debu pe positive thong do, okay. Kerang health yapo so che do major in bachi gi pe mental yapo so try chi gi pe khari chi gi ra khangchi thong ne ra kerang pe positive next 7 day health pe positive do kerang namgyo ne this health chola shira dunang chigi me ba ina yang next 7 days kerang health chola this dunang chie tinggi do, okay. Namgyun machingi ban namgyun pe dunang chie dingi de zo gi chudu the next 7 days pe positive to health looks very good. Even if you don't give time for your health, then these next 7 days you are going to give some time for yourself to make your health better, okay. For next 7 days, this is mental health, emotional, physical health, okay, this can be anything. You're going to give some time towards your health to make it better, and even if you give some time for your health, then your health looks very good for next 7 days. Very positive card is coming for you, okay. Hang sang card ya puli do simte ko mi to health ra pe pudu na sakang to tigi wa ne menjurin ba che dik to so yi chitang ne mang che ji chi do kari thungi do la na health kang la shira do nang chigi mi auto thungi do ra takam chigi mi auto thungi do this ignore health chola da dik to ri this ignore ching do thungi do ra dai ne next 7 days la kang to health chola din chesare, okay. Health kang la ignore chengin this way pe to nang yakpo che thuga tingi do, okay. Next 7 days ani kerang chi do relationship la justice li do, okay. Relationship hang sang yakpo tingi do kesi kerang relationship la madi ko anti khare do chi feel chi gyo ane ke simti ko mi do next 7 days kerang hang sang yakpo cha do, okay. Kerang la tab madi wa do chi to dang chi yora kerang la relationship la di sozo la yang topo mo binge nye do ta khaji yang tik ma song chedang de tik ma song same do da kerang ge tik ma song sam de changma ra yakpo cha to ya dik to ya understanding level thombo cha ya ra kenang la justice ra ya ke shi do health sa sorry relationship kan la, okay. Justice li do ra di ta kerang ge changma balance kan la do to ya relationship pe balance kan la do to ya yakpo ting du semti ke ko min du mati wa ndi yo ai ne ge semti ko min du yakpo cha do ya tanda ba do chik yora miscommunication chat or the misunderstanding chat, or if there's going in a relationship, misunderstanding is going in a relationship. If this is happening right now, then the understanding level is going to be very improved in next 7 days, okay. And justice is coming for you for your relationship. So whatever you're feeling this is unfair or something, then for next 7 days you're going to feel very good. Because you'll feel fair, okay, this is fair, okay. You're going to feel like that for next 7 days ra on den tungi do yakpo da dik song ta diksha sama chi me relationship kan o den de tungi do kesi digi min do sam thi yo ne re da digi do sama chi me on den de ji tungi do relationship diksha yakpo da be energetic do ra pe se wa pe cham jong ning je energetic 항상 약보도 빼 positive 가리더라. 딕시 계승데 고민도 relationship 약보도야. 키라이네 파페 술라가감 세와 체고레 빼 balance 강라 도토야 치미. 뭐 술라가감 세와 체고레 술라가감 슬라고레 술라가감 스티 체고레 라이치메 소소 빼지 약보 야토야 치 relationship 나라 온데데 도시딩이더라. 오케이. Ani khalla ore adi career lira career kirangi next 7 days la career candidate career la kirangi this confusion tungi dora tadi khare ne insir tadi chewena machewena sameto mind kina okay tadi lega chi do okay je shula to dam yang kirangi khalla ore mind tang emotionally yang pe chingi to dam mind kyang tindi yungumari la chime this confusion tungi dora 소소이 야나 소소이 지기라도요 심바기다 안티 체네 뿡마리 라이토당 직크랑기 디스 커리어 촐러요라 그랑기다 롭톡 임바이네 롭종 단디직 장기 퓨처다 라디 당 야나 그랑기다 레가 칭이 지임바이네 카리 임바이네라 그랑기 커리어 촐라 레가 체사디기 촐라 디스 컨퓨전 뚱기도 직 제고이나 마치고이나 또디 제샤나야 뿡서레 참참야 안티 체는 시우유 직여라 온 텐데도 위치 띵기다 소소소 하고라라 confusion do ani next 7 days la kiranzula khare thingi dulanara confusion khare yo ine so samlo yakpo tang ne so ma de pe meditation che go ne che so la diwa di in so I thak che go ya thingi do okay next 7 days on de do shi thingi do kiranzo chi dura shimbanyam to da kecha she do and che ma ko che jungna so rang gi na deep down pe analyze che ra so gi da yana de journal do che go ne che chik di ne da pros and cons to tagwa chime on de to tai ne 강tar 소소기 deep down 소소기 삼로당 탁 주고야 아니 덴데 탁 주도 나 빼 약부 중에 지동기도 다야 디케난조 스위치로 인 하우스라 다케난조 망체지기 지도 에 confusion 요서 career 촐라라 다 career 촐라 confusion 유행에 대해서 이치도 메시지래다 오케이 next 7 days 소소소 탁 주고야 오늘 내 동기도라 a confusion menge yak thaju do dingi dezo da simti komi du chirda ne next 7 days pe positive chikda ne khoryu kura kiran jogi lega chesa ine re khari ne pe positivity shuk chimbu dura so lopchon chesa ine re lega chesa ne pe positivity shuk chimbu do ine kiran gi mind is confusion do chik thoughts mongole ya thindi dungi du yana mi gi kiran le panala geja dhami do yungu mar chik jingi la ni yang so gi this chik self doubt and lera if you are going having some self doubt confusion towards your career then for the next 7 days you have to think deep down and you have to listen to your gut feelings okay your intuition powers are so high so you can listen you can believe and listen your gut feelings for next 7 days that's going to be a very good decision for your career path okay if you're having some confusion if you're going through actually that normal career path then that's going to be very good very positive your surroundings and everything is very positive you don't have to worry but if you're having some doubts I can see some doubts here okay for you so if you're having some doubts then next for next 7 days you have to follow your gut feeling that's all for your career okay 데데도 시댕기더라 아니 양 칼라오레 디체네 Tirtane 항상 계란소라 pe mind pe sharp to next 7 days mind pe sharp kecha pe yakposhe to communication kirangi namgyune tisik communicate chidu tisik kecha this create odang ani pe yakpo soso isam nang shingi shema to ya dendegi problem to ligiyo ina kiranzol namgyo ine next 7 days 항상 yakposhe to ya kecha dinzora 항상 yakposhe to ya ge gaya to and ge kuch machung ya ani samlo ine pe shepa nyurbo 동구도 okay sorry next 7 days can also be 항상 시바 율보 통도 게 삼로 빼보다 소소이 삼로랑 배주당네 탁취나 뒤도 가리 졸라네 디 인디케나기 relationship be positive 통도 라 health be positive 통도 니 career 졸라네 be positive 통도 디 인디 소소이랑 mind 삼로 빼 약부당 투요 아이나니 소소이 가리 졸라네 삼로 약부당 투라라 relationship be positive career 약부수투리 칼라오레 health 약부수투리라 상마 소소이리 와당 치더라오 데디도 오시땡기도 be 항상 약부 next 7 days I can get deep down can kare attraction ekirangi kare attract chidu ra kirangi like chola next 7 days la kare attract chidu I release time and let the universe show me what to do okay da kirangi 망체직 da 지르단 데 positivity energy shukchimbu kiran chola chu yungu da current energy kiran positive to run future planning chidu ine kirangi ra result la shita chik 장말 내가 된데 지기니 result 양알라 된데 고요라죠 오 된데 많이 받지 네 칼리 개기 이시니 result 카리 중네 따딩알라 콘초기 난교리스 콘초기 난토리스 소소 칼리디 소소게 게레니 콘초기 난기레라 컨셉 디 슈침부 키기스라 keran게 된데 인사리 아니 keran게 next 7 days 양 된데 슈침부 키르스라 samlo 된데 슈침부 키르사리 아니 and let the universe show me what to do okay kera this career path tan like this confusion chagyo anta koncho gi ngal lamba tin thore lai cho o tin de do chikera universe tan koncho da so su lai chi ni odi gira tin thore tin de do chikera ta kya na la fal ki ichha mat kar lai cho कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मचले जो ओदी ओदी केरागी शुक्चिंबु concept केरागी शुक्चिंबु 키기에서 해서 가진 के나 पे kal이 경이도 kal이 도리 갸통에도 둥기도라 के라기 current energy 온데 둥기도 디인데 아니 the result khande jungne dik dure ne takali kegi le thochira o tende tingdu the result koncho nang race kali so gaps ra o tende thochi tingdura ani thi chini khalawre animal spirit guidance kirangi next 7 days kichi animal spirit guidance guide give me a beautiful guide for the next 7 days for the horse rabbit spirit now is a lucky time okay dikira la mavali du samstalla ta desra talo ta sura now is a lucky time kirangi chido hangsang ya lucky time re la shida na onne re du da kirangi current energy be positive du ra diga la kirangi health relationship du hangsang ya pudu ra kirangi intuition power pe shuk chempu du keja pe apashi du mind pe sharp du ra ani kirangi diga ani samlo ni I release time and let the universe show me what to do ra kirangi ta kali kagi sine tibudi konjo gi karinang wa re la du ta positive shuk chembura so control the outcome the control chetsi ge gyo mara di indu hangsang ya positive ra di indu da guidance kora kharili now is a lucky time whatever you want to do you just do it because now is your lucky time ra this is your guidance from animal spirit so for the next 7 days ra 아니 오케이 다 그런 저기 항상 positive card 리더라 배 약불리 송 아니 다 소소스로 거 메시지 되게 뱅잉 치모치느라 요 베레와요 아니 년동 디식 발라 투치낭 아니 뉴르드 체용 다시텔레 루글로도 저 기랑기 치드 next 7 days 라 तारिक 춥디니 sakсum barla khare gar chingdu od kola reading i indangbo kirangi current energy check chegira ndinge la kirangi ngendung de la kadach nang ra 아니 indangbo kirangi current energy chinggo okay current energy pe loving kindness giving ra o thende do chigra kirangi generosity do ra tape 항상 약고 positive current energy 약 부두다라 kirangi current energy pe ning chimudo your current energy looks very positive you're being very kind generous positivity and you're giving energy okay you're having giving energy for your current energy ra kirangi current energy de kirangi pe giving loving kindness okay on the day which thing give and take takirangi 수 가질래요 파야테 도와치기 레저 배 generous on the 슈침부 교랑기 셈바나 on the 슈침부 기교 사레 current energy and it which thing 안디 the be shape on your bo thoughtful very 라 삼로 뺑이 예바당 통에 항상야 라 깔리가 통에 약부육 통에 교랑기 단다 찍 교대와 라슉 침부깔리 개교도 시등기들아 계란기 배슉 침부 6대와 도치라 믹스 양카시 지치도 마인 배샵 차야 되는 인기 라케난 속에 커런트 에너지라 마인 배샵 양 카시 깨자 배시 켜고 차도 했지미 나 셈나 크리스탄바디기 빼악볼라 통에 된디도 오시라 배 포지티비티 갈라 온된디도 오시 카시 양 레카 배 항상에 깔리 갸토야 레카 쳐라 커리어 쳐라 그런 게 항상에 깔리 갸토야 아니 더딕치 아니 레카 차가 돼야 오된디도 오시 배 포지티비티 동기도 오케이 아니 계란기 치도 the detachment this detachment 열리기도 양나 소소 남이 빈체네 this 타링 부트야라 타링 불레가 제가 돼야 타링 부트야 된디 인식이라 가지지기 치도 양 가지지기 치도 야 mental the emotionally 계란기 디식다 소소 this 갈라오래 계란기 단다 봐도 직심 대교라 직 촉라 attachment도 차네 촉직라 심 대교 하나다 디시 계란기 류땅 토기야 계란기 셈바 류스 토기야 심기다 심 대교 되게 갈리갈리 류 토기야 오 된디도 시둥기더라 류토교 또 둥기더라 아니 류땅교 왔다 디카레 캐난기 직심 단다바도 양 카시지기 치도 삼로 라 thought 삼로 직 concept도 직심 데디랑 레라데 디케랑기다 concept change 해야 된대 오다 팅이 심디교도 노르다 된대 레민도 아사메 된대 인식이라 ta khaji chi chi yan chu chola pe de pa shuk chimbo le spiritual path kan la ra meditation spiritual path den de kan shuk chimbo de nang shuk chimbo li gyo to den de thong gi dura kenan zo chi do okay knowledge pe shuk chimbo gain chi gyo den de so so gi ing yu ge di chola pe shuk chimbo gain chi gyo den de thong gi du okay ni kenan zo gi current energy on den de do chi dura career chola pe ya possible pe sang bu chi career chola ya pu yu to thoughtful pe ra khalawre shensim shuk chimbo samlo tang e dura pe sim sang bu chi shensim shuk chimbo samlo ta ro pa chi den de du 아니 양 추이조라 숙침부 되나래 텐데도 아니 칼로레 current energy pe positive to 항상 positive to 그다 기랑기 치도 next 7 days guidance and blessings करेगा रे तुरा 기랑기 치도 guidance and blessings okay guidance करे दुलानरा 아니 기랑기 라나 financial chocolate this 되나 숙침부 제거에 직등기더라 yang kashi chigi chidurang financial this saving cheda denang shukchimbo this the financial yapo yo aina be giving energy la do akina gi pe chik to song tangya shimbal pento yapo ta pe yang chik saving chego ya den chik tinggi dura ta di la ni do ra kashi chigi ta kerang gi sidina ligyo aina chik to song shukchimbo tangya na ligyo na this saving chego ya gi guidance chik ligi du ra ani shimba yang chok chik la khari ligi dula na 가시지 치도 양 디리두라 심 기게자 리두라 심 계란기 심발 라티스틱 이고도 당 티스가 gel도 당 룽도 당 데리 숙침불리기요 아이나 계란라라 가이던스 가릴리기두라 next 7 days 기치두라 심바 강톱톱 님 충충 데야 소소 강톱톱 down to earth 라페 님 충충 심야 님 충심야 닝제 숙침보 곰고야 okay ani grounding energy ligidura pe nim chungchung down to earth ningje khomgo okay you have, this is your guidance so for the next 7 days you have to be very kind and grounded and down to earth you have to carry this kind of energy for next 7 days as a guidance okay and if you are spending lots of monies and you are not saving anything then the guidance is to save some money for the future that's also guidance so there's two different kind of guidances for you so whatever comes for you you can take that ra kirange chidu kandidi na hamastangi ni lidra chigang do zong shukchim yang niga insir kachi chidra simba gang tup 님 중태야 아니 financial this future ge chidu saving chego야 되는데 guidance lidra 아니 칼리둘라나 아니 계란기 치도 blessings 가릴리둘라나 단다바도 계란기 따 칼레도 가리 야와이네 계란을 데부시도 퉁기메 배 뇨프기와이나 아니 next 7 days 라 계란라 guidance 마다 blessings 가릴리둘라나 계란기 따 제당 뜻 그루와 땅네 아니 계란라 배 success 라에 치라 다디 계란기 치도 양 relationship chola 계란기 failure 숙침보 동기 두에 career chola 라다 치 소소기 life 나라 촉직라 계란기 디치 숙침보 negative to there 도치라 양나디 relationship career pe apo togi ortara relationship chola yang this negativity yang relationship pe apo togi orta career chola this negativity yang career relationship ni ka pe apo togi yang so health chola this negativity dendi doji 계란기 직 칸라 직 마디와 도지 미스나 직 도디요 아이나 아니 단다 계란라 next 7 days 라라 계란기 직 온딜라라 그루와 땅에기 탑람도 친이기두라 온데리로 시둥기도 next 7 days 그루와 땅에기 탑람 오케이 다 계란기 당면 for example 계란기 다 relationship pe apo to health pe apo ni career yak poshita to gimewaina career chola kenan career kale kyane shigu debu tingimewaina tadi nge example la gyora ta so chariare ani dende chokchik la kerangi life ke aspect chik la kerangi tis yapuma de chokdela ani kenangi next 7 days ki chido blessings karidulana tis chik chedan gyurwa tangya tangi tanda karishus career yak potugyo mara ani career chola nge dende chik chego tanda bado nge dende try chedi di chokni lamka di yungmidu yak pochitung tanga dende chik try chego la jo tas lamka sawa chik so nge on dende do chitungido okay tachik yora kantar sawa soso I karichola live ke aspect karichola ya putu mindo ondi chola sawa chira ondi de tingidu kinangi chira next 7 days ra ani di chini tashi badi karila na kinangi tangbo health lira health kan la okay as panicles health kan la kinala da health ya pusu ya kan la ra kinala ko kap sawa chi ligi dura health ya pusu ya idea sawa health kan la tende chik chena soso pe healthy ya pudir ta la da soso health kan la nya chi health chola na di ya puti mindu la ni chik tanya example chunjunji shawaina aninga district ta dingsan de li da surgery de chi sorry dayang tida diksa marira ngelepa na dangshe dirangli sangmasra tangi shishaura tangi di example re dayang chokchinira kiragi chidu ta kirangi ta nya chida na kalaure nya chi lips ti akpo mindu la cha da tibachi khang mundu nga tongba na lips ning chi mo mindu samgyo na ani yang tingsang ta botox tu ta lip surgery chain ning chi mo se gi ko ka fendile de chi me so so te di lega di chewa na ni pi akpo chagdu tangi di example yo gupta chas rai ning ele bana dang shudirang list la tangi shu shaira ta di do da so so health ya pusu go samye chi yora da so health ta dugli dukchi yora da so nasa do da ta mi da khari yo ai ne ra a so yan chirtan nasa indi ge me wai ne suputis ya pusu go samye do da tis dongba dis ya pusu go skin ya pusu go samye do da de yora dende gi thok la kirang gi khari chik su go sam thi gi yora yana mental peace ra mental pe shidi sem la pe shidi ke le go samye do da dende khari chik yo ai ne on di chok la ani kirang gi yak pusu gi ko kap chik ra kirang la chik ni sa re o ta nga gi dende chik su dong na sam thi gi da dende chena yak pu tuwa samye chi yo so so o dende chik ni sa ta di so chare re yora so la gari go o dende to chi li du lan she health chola ani iti chene relationship ra kirange next 7 okay relationship la kirange pe di kala or tende do chi tingi do kirange hang sang gi pe sewa shuk chimbu ji pe attachment pe ta kala pe whole chin share relationship pe kirange shuk chimbu simya tende do chi tingi dura next 7 days la kirange pe shuk chimbu pe ta kirange endi do chagi me do kashi ji chi dura so sewa chi hang sang sewa ta chik tende ni pacho mi diang so nyamdo le tharing bu cha do do ra 아니 얘네 뺏어와 치니 미팅할 타는 부차 두두 카제리 사메 도라 아니 오 텐데도 직등기더라 아니 키랑 졸라 엔디도 중기도 해라 기시 텐데 중 되게 와이나 리피트 친 텐데 relationship 졸라 텐데 중 되게 와이나 next 7 days 라 키랑 디스직 항상 했다 세와 라이디다 유나다 유교 유책된 거 말에 라이치 지를 흘려시하고 레라이도 지라 원텐데 직 소소소 하고 서요 next 7 days relationship 간디스 밸런스 제고 하고 서요 relationship 라이 항상 다 유체세와 시고지 단도 미리 다른 것도 소서메 도다 되니 많이 받지 so the handle chi dang sing sar relationship kang na next 7 days on the day do chi do kirang chi do okay and if you are holding too much attention you are showing lots of love towards the partner okay in a relationship then for next 7 days you are and still the partner leave you or left you right? And you are thinking like oh my god I have shown love I've give him or her too much love but still he or she is not with me. If you're feeling like that, they leave me and I'm always alone. If you feel like that, then next 7 days you're going to find out the solution for that. You'll make the balance how much you are showing your love and how much you're holding and how much you're giving and okay how much you are taking. Want it the balance. You're bringing balance in a relationship for next 7 days, okay? On the day do chitingi do da kirangi 항상 얘기 빼 ate shukchimbo chedandu sewa shukchimbo chedandu yuni to tende do chungi yowa inare dara. Okay, on the day do chidani kirangi 항상 ya da sewa chego sel pe sewa chia pe caring pe loving da soso ipugu chola soso kyoga da soso ipama chola da soso da yora da soso sewa chesa digela pe 항상 ya sewa che pe konsola di che chige da kirangi 항상 세와 진 상마 계란기다 콘조이 치도 깔리 상마 얘기하셔고 라도 된데 유서라 된데도 치 동구도 라 relationship la the love life la distic 된데 중교 유나 마시 심바 집단 다 be positive to dictionary 세와 제도 라소소 세와 여기도 된톡 잠보 제도 약보 제도 나 디라라 be 에너지 약보도 다이네 love life la 기시 라 니에다 다기 쇼나 시데르 중대교 아난 소소이 디스 밸런스 켈리아라 가감 세와 띵고도 라쇼 오늘의 밸런스 또 띵고 띵도 next 7 days okay career 다 항상 약보도 그런 같이 라 career 빼빼 항상 약보도 career very positive 그런 게다 그런도 가지직다 게다 친구 쳐야라 name fame money name fame 기치도 내가 친이 바이나 best star 라 게다 친구 쳐야 띵기도 아니 그런 게 지르다니 내가 가리치기 와이네 be successful be 약보 positive 띵기도 next 7 days 항상 약보 띵기도 okay same day 도 고미도 career 좀 be positivity 친구도 그런 게 치도 okay the lovers card 리더라데 yang kachi chido yang love story sawan ko suge den in sigri ani dedi kana ge learning chengira relationship kagam sewa cheudu kagam cheu me du kagam cheu du kagam spego du le o dedi do chi 사와된데 인기를 양 소소이다 음악이 relationship 유교한데 여러 this 다른 부차교 바이나 거네 투게 chance 두라 거네 투도니 다 간데 제오도 os learning 제사요라 relationship 라 간데스 제오도 파주미들 comes to도 가르쳐도 가르쳐 민도 소소 comes control 제오도 다 지여라다 소소 배 balance 약 부수에 투게 제오데 로시라 new relationship is going to start as well for some of you 라 okay 원데 로시 둥기도 아니 Allora, ani kirangi deep down attraction kirangi attract kare chigdura kirangi gune something ne attraction kirangi kare feel chigdura attract next 7 days lara I trust that my powerful intentions combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. Okay, 다 kirangi di 항상 약부더라. kirangi intention combined with my faith ra soso idanga yakpuchik chigilani ta unni kirangi danda simba sangbo 항상 약보 kididara pe simba sangbo powerful intention pe yakpo kidiyora kirangira ani combined with my faith enough vision to become reality. Okay, dida career chola resi chidana kirangira pe intention yakpo powerful pe samlo yakpo kirndi kangla ani faith ichi dra soso samlo yakpo kirndi kangla ichi yakpo ichi ta dubgi reda lani ichi di shukchimbuli tugyo waina an kirangi da kare ine kirangi samlo tang wanang shin dub tug re lai cho de career chola insiri career chola inera kirangi career chola chidana shukchimbu do dewa to lega chigyo to tinde tungidra tinzo ichidu ingire. I trust that my powerful intentions combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. Okay, di kirangi attract chigidura same thing ne kirangi the feeling shag to attraction. Okay, you are this is your attraction, deep attraction ra ani deep attraction and thought ra kirangi chidu animal spirit guidance karilidu big spirit lead and use your mind wisely. Okay, didn't the mind be yakpo bijitang lajo pe changbo chepe yakpo bijitang wise chinira pe dichelajo kajin kirangi 집단 단도 빼슉 침보 직 mind pe sharp che shu juk dewa tingidura 아니 6대와 some mind bache pe mind bijitang wa some mind bache changbo ngone bijitang la wisely bijitang lajo mind ho den de chitungidura this chik ra kandichodo wonde de the wisely bijitang la dirista guidance. Okay, kinanzo gichi the animal kindness penging chimuchi lesra de wonde de legidura ani okay ni khalore kinanzo gichi reading thamsi ani sosolo ko message te penging chimuchi ni ra pe rewa ye ani ngendung de la kadak channel la subscribe ani ngendung de sik pala tu chenang ani nyur de cheyong Touch the later let us so any kirangi to the next 7 days ra tarik chup tuning you should saksum par la kirala karagar chungudu unde kola reading in tambo kirangi current energy tungira. Okay, current energy pe positive tungidura kirangi completion relationship family member thinde kala pe positivity tungidu nami pinche changman zom kip tangya ra thinde insigire ra nangla good news and nami family nala good news le thinde insigire ani kiran so yang da recently kiran so nami pinche de so thu ani yang thari budi gyo na nami pinche de so thu ge ko kap you're celebrating your current energy looks very beautiful, your relationships are looking very beautiful right? And you're celebrating for something, some good news, good things happen in your relationship. This is possible. So ra wonde de rochipe hangsan yapu positivity thungi do and kina get together with your family members and celebrating for something beautiful, something good news, some completion ra wonde de chido ni celebrate chi yato yakope thongidu current energy ning chi modura ani kalore kirangi career cholot pe shuk chimbo ta kirangi planning chi gyo tende tungidura kirangi yang lop tu imba na lop chung ta tanga ti changi ta da higher study tende chi gi lani ya ta shuk chimbo planning chi ta this study chi planning this chunju mar chimbo chi ya wonde de tungidura ani pe positive future la future chola pe positive ngene optimistic ra being optimistic towards your future and making plannings ra big plans to make your future better. You're planning something. Okay, this is in your career. If you're a student, even if you're a student, you're thinking about to join the university or this higher studies karini sigire on the dura lopchong tola this shukchimbo planning chia on the day to future planning ani di chen kirangi strength very positive ra hangsaya patience positivity. Okay, 항상 야 배 심바 상보 상마 지 kindness 숙침부 둥기도라 키란조 아니 배 강톱톱 심바 상마 대야 배 상부치에 상마치에 심 상마 냐야 온데리도 아니 코리유 배 positive 라 this 항상 약부 둥기도요라 카렌 에너지 배 약부도 배 positive 두게 고 시견도 게 통금이도요라 okay future planning chidu family nyam do yakpo thodu kirangira yakpo pe tingidu ani kirangi positivity ra positive shukchimbora ani seba sangmanyarya ani semla nam to duga de karili yo ani sangman nemyara 항상 yakpo tingidu very positive cards for your current energy ra telo ta so 항상 current energy pe 항상 yakpo khedidu da ani next 7 days kichido guidance and blessings ra kirangi chido guidance and blessings okay ani kirangi chido karili dulana chirdanira kiranla kanyi de kariti yo ina yang ani kirangi da kanyi de karini insira ani de kanyi chitiyo ina ani kirangla ropachinya ragi re ra ani phatsuta da la chawo the guidance li dura next 7 days la ta kanyi dia relationship na la kanyi thea to dang ani yang financially kanyi thea to dang ani lopchong chisala kanyi thea to dang lega chisala kanyi thea to dang the relationship na la career chola health chola shukchimbutu gidu relationship chola shukchimbutu tende kanyi do thigyo chik macham to da tubashore to da tende kanyi ra relationship na la health ina so na ya chaya kanyi tende khari thigyo ina so la help seek for the help you are going to get the help for next 7 days whatever you're going through in your relationship issues or this can be health issues this can be any issues or okay whatever you're going through you can seek the help and you will get the help now on the day doing it the next 7 days you have to seek okay for the help on the day for next 7 days this is your guidance and blessings karili dulana death card li do okay blessings china so chi li dulaja smashi ra khari dulana chirda ne kiran zo danda padu mati wandi chung de chora life the aspect chigla so pe yakbo pe healthy pe wealthy pe khriyo ene yang chokchi ne so career yakpo ma de do yang so pe career tan de chama yakpo chokchi la yakpo ma de do da chikyola da so life na yang ni ma tak par nyu this na de do da ra na de tinde in sigre yang na relationship na this se short de in sigre ra phama binchi nyen ro ta to do ma de macham this se short de do chik jung de chora so du ga chik mutu ne jung de chik career chola in sigre khaji chi tu chi du lega yakpo lamdo ma kyoe do da and chik chunju ma de wa chik yung thigyo ai na dege changma next 7 days ne kirang la de jung de chora repeat kan on di zo do ke shiura on di death cha ke shiur shi do ya ta zo do ke shiura ani kirang chi ne di cheni ani kirang chi do the repetition di kirang la karmic cycle do ra kari imba ne ta di zo do ke shiur kirang gi le sak sha gyo gi chik tibuch nyong thigyo ai na ta di zo do ke shiur okay on di blessings resha ani kirangi chido health health yapo health mental health emotional health physical health sama pe yapo pe positive thing okay pe energetic pe positive hangsa ya supula energy do mind la pe peace to mental peace to ani emotional balance to pe confident to hangsa ya health pe yapo okay pe positive health kan la ke kuch next 7 days ya hangsa ya yapo ke sikran danda kanye do chinchu jitigyo ane ge simde ko min do health pe positive to okay health positive to okay the relationship la ti signotling me do some chigurat kenan zo gidanda ba do the guidance relationship la seek help la iten zo relationship chola insar mangche chi kiram viewer mangche chi chidu relationship chola ti sigmati wa chungyo san ni kenan zo current energy la relationship pe apodo yang chirtane this chunju in mati wa to da ra chojin yan so phama missing pe chamgyo na so sasang na this macham ya kan yete de insira yan sasang na pe chambu gyu di na phama pinjeng yen do ten zo yam this macham de chigyo ra the relationship ke aspect chik la kiran ge this chik ra yan relationship yang leka chesala ra so colleague ta de yora da so business partner ta de khari yo na yan so lop tu imba na lop jong chesa zin do ten de da macham ya to da khari ne insira aspect chik la relationship ke this chikran ge negativity tungi ra okay on the day which doing it on the kenala guidance lead on next 7 days la seek for the help ra kisi kina chamgi me wa na kandi still che or this ko chungye ya pochigla ke ja she go ya ra kandi still che or that so thende message na so relationship the colleague to in any business partner to in any the partner ma jerang che do chik ne ka and khaga cha chojo me ba na ya so kyoga ki me do in ba na lamsa khaga che chojo and ni yo mara the di do any kala seek for the help the kandi si ya ga so go re la cho on the guidance lead or the relationship mang che chi chi the kiran zo viewer the relationship ra in getting a symbol relationship la this problem thing idura the in the next kari kinan la guidance ya takta diran le sara seek for the help okay how to make it better in a relationship because I can see some issues in a relationship. This can be anywhere. If your relationship with your partner is going very good, then there's some issue in family members, or if your family members are very good, then there's some issue with your colleague, your business partner. This can be any relationship. Okay, some issues are there in your relationship, so you have to seek the help to make it better, to make your relationship better. Okay, for and blessings gonna carry the next 7 days you're completing something. Okay, so if these bad issues are there in the relationship, then that's going to be complete in next 7 days as well. So you have to seek the help to make it better. Okay, on the date of shooting to that relationship la consult chegoya to shooting to relationship la okay this help me about the relationship chola la instead mang cheji chido kiranzo achira problem relationship la do ani this solve chego do ani kenala guidance kare do next 7 days health ligi race ra blessings kare do kanyi kare yo aine da so to race ra positive ta do da chida next 7 days ra ani jene career chola kiran this satisfaction mindu ra career di nya chi tende chi ti mindu nga tende chi chedu yu da nya chi cheta tupki mindu sameta go dan tende ingir yang khaji chi chedu yang career la this cheta positivity mindu space satisfaction to tongu mindu dubak simke to you are not satisfied in your career. Okay, whatever you have, but you are only seeing the negative side of the career side. Okay, so you are not very happy towards your career as well, not happy and not satisfied towards your career. Ra career ngala pe de bakhangi auto thongu min du chirtani career opportunity du da kenala ra kenai leka chigyu igire chigime wa ne chel leka che gi kokap yang du ra so career ya puso kokap yang du ne kirang gira negativity shuk chimbu thong career chola seta de ba masimya thinde thongu du ra. Okay, that the kenan so chidu imba na next 7 days la positive side la this thongo ya tago ya ra kachila kenala opportunity ni shisa kyablo tu so opportunity yore so la ra career ya puso egi so ko kapsang ma yore ya pucha egi la ta di ndi ti so di chola opportunity kare tu di chola ta go ya ra wonde de do shitu to career an chirtani kiran zo achira lopto gim bai ne da so la yang opportunity ya point de ra gi do da yang so mati wa do da bad result to da khari chik jung yo ne kiran gi da satisfied me wa na you have opportunity, you have better opportunities are waiting for you, so you have to see the positive side. Okay, you're only looking towards the negative side and you're feeling very disappointed towards your career, even you are a student. Okay, you have to see the positive side. There's some more opportunities are waiting for you. Ra no then they do shitungidu next 7 days. Ani kirangi chido temperance card leadra di karidula kirangi chitandra next 7 days communication kala hangsa ja pocha tungidu ani pe balancing and kirangi chitani kari kali gawa ne tibu thye tungidu. Okay, tibu tuya kari chola kali ge you are in onde la pe tibu positive tungidu whatever you're working towards. Okay, you're putting your energy, you're going to see the very positive result in that aspect of your life. Ra kirangi kari chola kali ge ane de tibu ni koncho gi dog pe shuk chimbo nange dura you are protected by a spirit, God, whoever you believe. Okay, you are protected. Onde de do chitungi den kirangi deep down kirangi attraction kareke dura kirangi next 7 days for that I release time and let the universe show me what to do. Okay, that the list ra konili ta kiran so let do time and let the universe show me what to do. The kiranzo ye career chola da shiras to batsim mi do kaje relationship chola it si problem thong dra karim ba ni kaje chi kandi feeling ke de la okay dangala da koncho gi lamden chi ri la cho tanga kari jungni jung danga shashi danga danda ba do kale ye gyat sai da tanga shasha gi ra da ni bad give up che mar da ya kali shasha gi isra lu shagi isra ani ngala koncho gi dog nang gi lamden nang tu res koncho gi ngal nang tu res career chola ni re koncho gi ngala lamden nang tu res ra so su la chi chi de ba chi yo di lamden nang gi re ro pa chi re la chi chi ni sha yang universe ki ro pa chi re lamden chi re la career dar so relationship chola ma ti ko to dang chik mang pu chi chung yo ai na tang al hloi sha yi sne ge chi tu es yo ma re da kon cho gi lamden nang gi re la chi me o thende do chi kenan zo ge ka aspect la quality gyo ai ne on de la thende do chi tu gi dura ani animal spirit ki guidance kare ke liye for next 7 days. Okay, turkey spirit give it gratitude and grace ani kiran zola chikra turkey spirit ki kare kheli dulan ra de an tyen bachi da ngara ani turkey spirit gira na gratitude feel che go tingi de kiran ki manifest dire ta kiran zo gira Okay, need Turkey spirit give with gratitude and grace ra kiran so gita pe gratitude feel je go editing gidura kiran so gita career chola in relationship chola in this toxic this madiwa do khaje career chola khaje relationship chola this yapo tungi me do tungi dra this nyok do giu me gid tende khari yo ine ni kiran so ra yaga khari du wondi taya gosuk la chira wondi lead to give with gratitude and grace ra gratitude feel je go okay kailang khari do chi kailang lega do chi chigi bya tanga pe I'm so grateful for this work ra I'm so grateful that I have this person this person in my life ra these people are in my life oh then do that's also it I'm so grateful that I'm very healthy ra mentally physically emotionally I'm very healthy ra I'm grateful for that oh then the grateful feel je go chi ro odi shuk chimbo to next 7 days okay 인지미 지템버 마치와체 grateful 축침보 필치네 grateful 같이 필치와는 나감스 유니버스 기양 야 근데 땅 윤기리 라이셔 소소라 오는데 오늘 이치체나 약보라 인게랑 졸라 디랑 가이던스 리드라 같이 소소 네게티비티 쇼클라 축침보 다와네 누가 중그리 같이 소소 포지티비티 공라 축침보 따기 와네 야가 중그리 인치르다네 케난기 커런트 에너지 빼 포지티브 두아 딘데 다가라 핸들 치니 디더라니 디 디스 마디고 친친슈 이슈 딘조다 메와차 두리 오케이 넥스트 7 디센키란 소 이슈도 소소소 메시지 데 뺑잉 지모친 딱딱딱 라이브 페레와 ani kiran zo ichi ngin dung de da kamsi ani ngin dung de la katak channel la subscribe ani kiran ngin dung de sikpa la tu chena ani ngur de che yong Testele chalo ta so kiran gi che next 70s ra tarik chukti ni ngi saksum phala khare gar chungdu ani ta ba kiran gi current energy check chegi ra ani ti che ni kiran gi che da sangma ta ra guidance and blessings this is sangma khare gar tu on sangma check chego tang ba kiran gi current energy okay current energy you are trying to make a balance in your relationship and in your career and in your health okay kiran gi the relationship da ani kiran gi life gi aspect and your the so so gira ta o de ge sangma la balance so it's ge dra relationship de ge la du so ga so chodu so so legal la du so ga so chodu le to dan so so yi khala ore health so so treating ga la du so ga gam stang go du le to da sangma la du so ya potang ya to da akaje ji chi do da so so gi da na lega nis che to da ra lega sa business chi da side hustle to da ra so so job chi che inside la ya business chun chun chi go so startup and this che de de in sig ra da so so khari bai ne the ga la so so be balance so si ke de de do shi ngi da ani trip and travel and ne da kiran zo chi ngi do current energy la okay trip and change and okay the tower moment ani currently kiran zo ga chi khari ngi do la shocking news to chi ra wa de ngi do la shock chaagi news ra da khari ni sig ra da yan di no 망체 이치 디랑 레다 소소 이 job change che to dang career change che to dang yana kaji gi the relationship kala this chick shocking then the natural and chungya then the insigira shocking news on the dikran ki current energy okay this is your current energy you have received some shocking news this can be in your relationship this can be in your career you are changing the career or this can be you're changing the place you're changing karini insirata you're going through some okay tower moment current energy on the day to your shock child this 항상 얘기된 내 술 중에 때에 직 통기더라 current energy 아니 디치니 okay current energy la yang chokchini yang so pe famous chaya pe ande tingida yang kaji yang so ita famous rato famous ho gya la cho ngani dirang tinsra 아니 on toji 배 여러다 항상에다 어디기 직전에 쇼킹 도라다 디야 쇼킹 레소서 이직 트라이 치라 아니 소소 삐약 붙여라 아니 뭐 덴데다 차르 삼마시니 차소 삼에 덴데 쇼킹 인시라 가지지지 안케랑기 치다니 네임페 마니 커리어 덴데 커리 촐라 키랑기 kali kagyo ne thiwala tibu yugo an kiran ki victory feel chia kiran ki kali pe gasha ne di tibu pe positive thuya an kiran pe yakpo feel chia pe confident feel chia mi din zogi ne kiran la appraisal ra kiran la pe yakpo je song la ne so so la tora tang ya on den de ra kiran ki current energy on de tung do okay you have done something very good and people are praising you for that and you are feeling very confident energetic you are bringing some proposal towards someone or this can be anything okay and you're working towards your name fame money and then you're receiving that and you're very shocked to see the result this can be also possible for your current energy and you're trying to make the balance in all the aspects of your life on the day and you're taking some travel this might be possible as well this is your current energy the current energy on the day Okay, ani di chini da kalore. Blessings and guidance and blessings kare do for the next 7 days. Okay, guidance kare do. Guidance di kare dulan so ichidu du tuyen go da so kyu shaya so la gang tup gi positivity shaya ani konjo la pe ichi che ani kera gi ta kare samba nang shingi dup to ya chidu ani so gi pe kalore simba positivity shaya simba kyu shaya pe positive shaya ani pe satisfaction feel che goya ani kerangi grateful feel che goya gratitude shuk chimbo feel che goya tungi do next 7 days da kare jungwa ne pe grateful feel che chime ata ta yakpu kare chik so misinala yaga and kare do this sangmala I'm so grateful for this ra I'm so grateful for that ra tende ta so la yakpu and si gyana mangbo yora da chin ni gora chimbo kare yo ane so nima takpar shobe yala ma da grateful feel che o tende kirangi da on the den kang tup so this mind positive shaya on the day do chiti kirangi chi the next 7 days guidance okay ta yora so ya langwa da ani ta tang shuni ko ta so yi ngesa ra so yi bad ngesa ani so yi kalaure ni so yi saya tumya dige changmala so grateful feel chiara tang menga ngone kalaure so di chimbore sha da konjo gi tinde yak punang sha la to da so yora da I'm so grateful for this that on the grateful feel chi go di shuk chimbo tungi dra kirangi chi do ani kirangi chi do blessings karili Okay, grateful feel chedra ani so chirtan the be blessings la confidence la ya simba ki utea ani emotional pe balance kang la ya ani kirangi decision pe apolin tung we are taking action ra kirangi courage usam ne tak ta chi thu ya ani decision pe apolin len thu ya okay you're going to be very practical, you're going to feel very good about yourself, you're being very confident and you can take action whatever you want to do, you can take action on that and you're feeling very good about yourself for next 7 days. This is your blessings, okay? You have to feel grateful as a guidance and you can do whatever you want is your blessings, okay? For next 7 days you're feeling very good about yourself, feeling confident, emotionally balanced, and you are taking decisions that's going to be very good for your future and you're going to be very good towards your relationships, your family members ra kirangi relationship chola ne kirangi 항상 yakpuchi to ya o ne de next 7 days ani di chini kirangi chi next 7 days health. Okay, health chola kirangi chik nga health kala tende chik chego samne idea do chira kinala next 7 days la pe idea yakpuchi ra gido okay tak 최대한 갈라 소소 나사 강이도 되게 와네 디 chola nga nasa dile 뒤도 예치도 같은데 직체고라 아이디어 약부지라 소소야 mental issue do thought the samlo pema bokor chik positivity shita lithugi me negative shuk chimbuli wa ina yang and next 7 days like this positivity ki thoughts shuk chimbuli thu ya le balara positive thoughts so kang tup to pe kyu sha thu ya ra mental emotional physical sama pe yak push su thu ya gi ideas sawa chili do okay kerang chi do health kana 아니 relationship chola ya diranles relationship la kerangi pe holding chetsi geidura gang tup kerangi pe hold chetsi geidu ani kesi kerangi da chirdan relationship ina kerangi pe jampo sewa pe yakpuchi to getungidura ani yang susu love life la this chick tende chagyo ina kerangi over chick simya pe sim shukche traya simya try chigyo ina ani next 7 days ran kirangi okay da balance ya ra kagam simgudu kagam slugudu kagam shegudu kagam spegudu chigyora da pe balance kelya on de do chitungi dra kirangi pe da shukchimbo simgi wana da di da relationship simbachi le list di sulele so diran tungi dra pe whole shukchimbo ya kala control chetsi gera on de do chitungi dra ani count up next 7 days la kirangi da 류토게 오늘로 시팅기더라. 가감 싱고도 가감 슬리고도 라이차 밸런스 또 시팅기도 오케이 넥스트 7 days. 아니 디체네 키랑기 career la ligidu okay career la chidan yakpudura pe kila la pe experience yu gyodo so pe ta lopchong imbane pe lopchong yakpu changye lega chingi pe ne lega pe yakpu chi thungye kaja so pe experience mangbo yu gyo life la o de tungidura ni kirangi career chola pe serious lingi me wa to chi tungidura next 7 days kira this chick nawa kip gu yang te do shit da be serious malian chi o din tu ngi nam be serious lingyo ai next 7 days chida serious malian kang tup nawa kip gu yang te ya on de do shi tu ngi dura next 7 days lup tu ba ne da lup chung nam be ko changi o ai ne da next 7 days tanga takta 장고서 딱딱 장이네 이금 시ang seriously 소소 다도 상마디나 땅원데 치메 내가 칭이 바이네 다가랑 비즈니스 칭인 다가 디스틱다 르르고 양양 지에도 지둥기도 다케나 저기야 트립 트래블 텐데 리아 인시기리라 강답도 디스고 양양이네 빼당 소소 confident 도다야 소소 이딱 직요라 나 칼라오레 소소라 빼망보 experience you do confident do you're very confident in your career but you are not taking that career very seriously okay even if you are a student you are not studying a lot you are not giving your all of your time towards your studies you're feeling like okay I'll give some time but I will take some time for myself and I'll enjoy my life you're feeling like that for next 7 days okay in your business in your career this can be anything okay you have lots of experience actually you're very good in your work but still you're not taking that much serious for next 7 days you are like taking some time for yourself you're taking some you can some trick take you can make some trip plannings as well okay going for a trip, travel, okay, this kind of plannings as well for next 7 days on the date of shooting이더라. 아니, 라마 체가라야 따라 소소기게 게라 상부토야 라마 체가라야 된데 positive change 돼야 공부하는데 체가 돼야 된데 둥기도 okay next 7 days 된데 용시기리 okay then to shooting이다 인기랑기 deep down 카리 리두라나 칼라오레 manifest 기랑기 deep down attract 카리치기두라 기랑기 deep down attraction 카리 when I'm passionless, I let the universe do for me what I cannot do for myself. Okay, that di kerangi career chola shikchimbu insert de kerangi chikshida serious malnya do chikshi sound. When I'm patient, taranga pe sugum chine I let the universe to do for me what I cannot do for myself. Ta ngarangi chemma toge chigora soso lakpala megyo chik soso lakpala career kali kyayara. Ta ini di tibudi nga tendichi goyolan soso lakpala meara di tibudi yang kandis 가실라 디부 칼리 뉴뉴 캬네 디부 피아포라이리 가시 칼리 망보 캬네 디부 뉴뉴 마시랑 마리 칼리 가주 캬네 디부 시다 요 마리 라이토다 요라다 딘데 타 디부 디 녜락팔 메리스티 인둥알라 유니버스 키 낭기 리스티 인둥가 유니버설 샤샤기 니 라이샤 칼링가 케기 디부 딩가 유니버설 샤기 니 라이토다라 아니 가리 중네 중다 권초기 낭 투리 라이토다 원네 소소 이솔테 바치 유노니 낭기 레 라이토다 키랑기 칼라오레 Kerangi deep attraction di diresha for this week ra ani animal spirit guidance karili kerangi chidu next 7 days okay well spirit lead the ani kerangi chidu trust the great mystery okay kerangi trust chidu ani trust jelani message lead ra kerangi chidani mystery dang tendela kerangi chi shuk chimbudo yorata kerangi da so ta chigyora deba chesa ta lama idam suma thoda de yore la ne ngala protect chiri la shuk chimbu ichi dura antela papa ni ichi che la ne yang guidance lead next 7 days la ne kerangi ichi che an kerangi universe la ne ta kerangi result kare rawa ne koncho nang to re la de la shuk chimbu ichi chi da on de larang ichi che na tigi re la de confirmation card lead ra kenala okay on the resha ni kina kichido reading takam si and so lo go message te banging chimo chini link yu chini link yu be rewa yu ra ani kalore nyendung de la kadak channel la subscribe ani nyendung de sikpa la tu chenang ani ngir de cheyong Tastele kila tato kina gichi the next 7 days ra tarik chupte ne ni saksum parla kare chungdo on the color reading ila shwain tambo kina gi current energy tungira okay current energy kina gi consultant kina gi kewang ching ne mi che ching ne kina gi chik jangi oto kina gi skill yarge tangi oto kina gi kari jangi o ne chik jangi oto chitungidura chik ni inspiration le ne ra inspire chani ya po jangi oto you are learning something you are improving your skill or this can be anything you are learning from the professional and you are listening following them online social media or this can be anything now then do chikirangi chik changyo you're learning new thing okay oh then do current energy tungidu ani kera gi next current energy di ta kera gira kandi tongudulana tadang chik jedang chik ruwa tang goya do chi danda badong ye jedang tende chik chik yudang atis chik tangi so la this change so ira no the current energy that you are changing something, okay? Till now you're doing this way, now I will change the way I do, okay? The way I speak, the way I dressing sense. This can be anything, right? You are changing something, okay? You change jiwara tadi kari chola ni change in sire career path change ya kurangi dressing sense change ya kurangi study ta kurangi interest sa din so change ya ta kari ni change on din do chira current energy on din do tungu kirangi chida ni life pe balance fruitful pe positivity yakpu tonggu do ra kirangi kali kare kyagi yo ne onde le tibutis this thong ani so be gyu cha cha nga da kali yu kya ita tibu ya tingi do yakpu du la ni so kali kya na tibu du la tho da onde ne pe positivity shuk chim tonggu do ra kirangi current energy yakpu do kenan zo pe positivity shuk chim tonggu do ra okay ani kirangi chido guidance for next 7 days and blessings kari do ra guidance kari dula okay can I get the future planning chik chego to the future la chik yakpu chunghe chidu da ni chik chego to chira on the zola che taking action, okay? On the your if you are to make your future better, you have to make a plan right now, okay? Planning for the better future, so take some actions to make your future better. This is your guidance for next 7 days, okay? On the do ani kirangi confusion to the kari yo ai confusion di nema doing to ya and next kare chego do on the planning che to go taking action, okay? If you are confused towards your relationship, towards your career, towards anything, then this is the good week to make your choice, okay? To make choice and to make plan and taking action towards that, okay? This is your guidance. The health chola ingir kashi ya treating chola ya decho minjurin badochi na nagi do in a main side ya allopathic side yang ayurvedic side lato the yorachi on the confusion you are another takchugoya, okay? The didunda de la takchugoya any decision lingoya on the day do chikeshi do. Achitani communicate chegoya keja shigoya ra keja digoya shigoya do chegoya and takchuya on the tungidura next 7 days and kirangi do blessings karili do lots of energy is coming your way as a blessings, okay? Ani kirangi pe kali yakpu gyagyo dege sangmala debu pe positivity thongya raya tanda bado kali yu gyain da debu shita midu samya tende yo aina ta ngone next 7 day hang sangya debu yakpu thongya ra so ichidu good news liya new opportunities liya kirangi kali gyasha gyo dege la debu thongya supola pe energetic feel chiye yora hang sangya energy shukchimbu lidura next 7 days pe energetic pe positivity ra semba pe kyu sangma supo pe thangbo tiu ani kale kagyu gi tribute sangmale o then the blessings lead, okay? Blessings is very good. You're going to feel very energetic for next 7 days and you're going to feel very positive in your mind, and you're going to have lots of opportunities. And if you have worked a lot towards something towards this, and this can be in your career, the relationship, this can be anything, you have put lots of your energy in some aspect of your life, then you're going to see the best of the best result in these 7 days, okay? This is your blessings. This is coming as a blessings ra ani kirangi chodo health kang la this confusion tingi, okay? Next 7 days kati to tingi dilana dang health yakpo so thuden yakpo ta dirang ye tanda dingyo la shiwa nang shin ra ta so di chewa na di chewa kandi chena yaga yuna sameto da chigera so health yakpo so chidu khari chena yaga yuna sameto da this confusion so na sa do yo ene minjurin ba men kandi sana yaga yuna sameto dang ani yang so subu thuden yakpo ji so by name kala the diet and the candid lena yaga yuna la to dang chigar this confusion to think the next 7 days, okay? Confusion to think you give yourself some time and you'll find out the solution if you have confused towards your health, okay? To how to make it better, this diet or that diet or this medicine or that medicine. If you are confused between these kind of situation even towards your health, then give yourself some time for next 7 days. You'll find a solution, okay? The best of the best solution you're going to find in next 7 days, but you have to give some time for yourself, okay? Now what did do health kala kala this confusion do you need to take to real and tingidura and health kala karini mental health yang kashi be mental health ya pusogo samini ta kandi chewo ina kari doji chenanga mental health ya pochagri le chondi hamugo eto dan the confusion yo ina to this day la just so on the shilidura. Okay, ani kirangi chedo relationship la kirangi ti siksim na la kanye kyu megyo shuk chimbo kigyo to chidura pe kyu megyo shuk chimbo energy di kigyo to do kirangi da di kirangi kari ni siri kirangi kalore relationship na la yapu manto ya tukjing nyokta yana chik tharing bucha ya khaga chaya chik sozo live ni misin ni mewa chaya kantar kirangi pe sim na la kanye shuk chimbo chik dende kigyo to thongidura the kyu megyo chi relationship cho ne kirangi pe kyu megyo shuk chimbo kigyo to uchi thongidura energy de onde de do shikigyo ina next 7 days ne kirangi on the energy dege le tichik complete feel chi tichik lolo chaya so the energy kigyo dinimatis tarya. Okay, you're going to come out from that kind of energy if you're taking lots of burdens in your relationship. Okay, if you're not happy, you're holding something and you're taking some grudges, towards the people, these kind of things are there in a relationship, then for the next 7 days you're going to release that, you are going to complete that kind of feelings. Okay, can I get heaviness in your heart? Okay, can I get bad color the heaviness ra heavy be heavy to feel ja mata and kyu mindura te kalidura la nisemla shuk chimbu kejora da kanye kyunang simba kyunang wonde de shuk chimbu kigyo do ra kari imbai ne next 7 days la complete chaya. Okay, zotoya this chik halka this color halka laira this light feel chera so yang would feel chera on the do this simna shuk chimbu kanye kigyo enar the relationship ki chene yang so yora the relationship da na so da love life yak pe to yo na yang pachola yang so ge ta family member na kan yete do da yang family member nyam the pe ko to love life la kan yete do da yang love life family member yak pe to yo na yang lega chesa diwa da so ge business partner do da colleague do da den nyam the macham ne kan yete kan the similar kirangi burden shuk chimbu ke do kyu me ge chan do on the chitung dra di next 7 days can complete. Okay, the yankirangi da humani mi maratagyon simnal nyarti at the day in sira the karim by nekirangi simnal kid the get yora the kanyedo chi da sosos hagora sosos la manda kaga yori ne kantar simnal kanyedo chukchimbu kidi da take it some release next 7 days la on the netungi to ani career chola kirangi pe positive. Okay, career chola hangsa positive transformation lagira career change ye the in sira kaji chidura kirangi career kan ani yang tak yak puche to ya career kan leka pe puche to authority kirantistic level increment de tungidura so ta leka chigyo ai na so office ti wada de lega increment che chaya to da so la ko ne par ya to dang ra authority tistic power so la palar ra ya to dang tak chi che kari ne so kenan chani yang tistic mi ge ne ta kenan la ta ki na idea kari yu samsul khandu la ne kenan chani this kenan this respect shuk chimbuti ya tin de tungidura. Okay, career 항상 약부돈 계좌 해야 된 소당 아니 mind is be sharp ra next time is 항상 positive career chol 항상 positivity do. Okay, 아니 partnership ra kirangi mutual understanding in a relationship chitana kirangi relationship be yakpu next 7 days 항상 yakpu cha mutual understanding parts understanding level tumbo chaya 아니 kalawre communication this be yakpu open communication che thugyara 아니 항상 relationship chol kirangi chitanida kirangi mix the relationship love life lara kirangi 항상 positivity to the next 7 days parts of mutual understanding chia parts of respect chia sewa chia chamgyong chia ningji chia samshi chia ra ani o de the 항상 positive thing to okay mutual understanding and your love life is looking very good for next 7 days. Mutual understanding, lots of respects to us sorry, towards each other. 항상 positive, very positive in the relationship. Love life relationship is going to be very good. Even if you're single, you're now looking for someone, then you're going to meet your soulmate as well for next 7 days. This can be happen. Okay, this might this is possible. Okay, one day do. And if you're in a relationship, then this is going to be very positive for next 7 days. And can I get you to attraction? What are you attracting? Okay, for next 7 days. Your attraction, wanting more for others, put me into the energy of abundance. Okay, abundance. Kerangira ka samlo deep down kerangi next 7 days kariki idula na nying chimo shiki idula kariki idula na kerangi mishimba shensim shuk chimbo samlo tang wa na rangdun shuk la dubgi re la idra shendun dub na rangdun shuk la dub la jo o di kerangi concept shuk chimbo mind la ondi ki do okay na ondi indu nga shimba la rokpa yapo chi shimba la pento to wa chi ni ngara ta dik do re ngara ta yapo cha do koncho gi ta sig do re la jo so so o tindi do concept di shuk chimbo kerangi ki do okay now then do ani kerangi chi do animal spirit guidance karili dura animal spirit okay give me beautiful guidance for the dog right? Antelope spirit life speeding up okay dangane hangsa ya positivity lead the kerangira relationship la chita ne kenala authority right o dan chi good news na tara kerangi hard work chi ke sangmala ta result positively at o dan de next 7 days hangsa ya positivity tungi da de life is speeding up ta kerangi life yo gyopu dur ta kerangi life dukcha gyopu dur yo busy chair la jo ngazo pe lega mangbo chi pe busy cha ani pe kyu jumo na do su pe gyopu dur da on de ki shigyor da do so yo gyopu dur la jo da kerang do so kandi so ha go ma so yo Drose lajo kyuchi chuna onde chimuda odi kishigiro okay the life speeding up okay be ready ra ani kana zo chi reading da gamsi en so go message tege pe ning chi mo chen so ta pe len kyuchi ni ling yu pe rewa yu ani nyen dung de da gamsi ani nyen dung de la katak channel la subscribe nang mewa ina subscribe ani nyen dung de sikbala tu che nang ani ngir de che yang Tajtele balo to so en kirangi chido next 7 days kara chungu do tarik chubdu ningi saksum parlara ani kirangi chido current energy dango okay this current energy la kecha yungene this chik advice tang kala opinion da de mathune this chik nyok ta do thungu dora di khari ne sire career path love life relationship ka career nang la imbai ne kina this chik macha pa this chik advice ten so this chik mathu clashes to thungu dora conflict clashes to thungu dora this chik macha ba do chaya do dan kecha damida mathu pa so kala kecha mathu ya on de do chitung dra yana migi comparison kirana compare shadow dan kirana competition shadow da some conflicts are going there in this can be in a relationship or this can be in career path okay this can be anything but right now I see some conflicts are going there in your life in your current energy okay some advices some competition some comparison some lots of different kind of opinions towards you okay or trying to pull your leg in a bad way as well okay kang bathian si kya ini kang bathian pull your leg la do yon chok to chi da on di mai ba che du ngune marat thamne kang bathian si kya chi me on de do chi tu mi dura ani di chini karili dula na okay ace of cups chirana kirang zola relationship ge offer yak pochi rawa thende tungi du yang relationship meeting am the pe apo chambu cha ani meeting am the pe kirang ge satisfaction feel chia re pe connection feel chia pe connected feel chia thende ingir ra so yang do topo mo sawan di ran di nyam ama di ta ngonne ngala go di risha la to da so life partner to da thende mi chik thuk da ama ngone khonyam do nga pe chik yora thungi du nya chi tawa di pe apo thungi du la to da and connection do feel and satisfaction to relationship chola yang relationship already kiran so already yungi de zo imba ineda so yugyo dingyam do pe deep connected feel yaga che the connection yaga so to get inde do chitungi dura da relationship chokla resh kinangira pe deep connection satisfaction de tungi dura deep connection and satisfaction you're feeling right now towards your relationship ra but some conflicts are there in your life as well so I don't know okay kira so tadara ani okay the sawa chikta duda yang career path la ne the opportunity sawa chirawa kina no ko sawa chirawa tende tungi duda yang ra yang changsagi tende kira invitation liya tende insi ra yang so career path kan la so la sawa chik idea sawa chira tende insi ra kira gida financially yakpo so chidu yang business idea sawa indi ra do chik yakpo chik sawa chirawa ani kira nge on tende do chitungi do currently yang kira nge mind la do de gira idea sawa indi do de gire tende insi ra so tende chik chego la ni idea sawa indi li de tende ingir ra so live ya poso chido okay ani kirangi current energy tende do chitungi dura ta kagam so ta dara ani di chini kirangi chido next 7 days lara guidance and blessings kare dura guidance kirangi chido okay guidance kare do okay financial gi chido kirangi idea yuge chido financial ya poso career ya poso chido kirangi idea chiki do tende idea di ya podo kirangi apply che la de li do okay apply che ya podo la de li do kirangi se idea de chiki yo ina business chiki tende chiki yo ra da so tende chiki yo ina che show ya podo la ni positive card lidura dindu ankirangi chidu blessings kar lidura the guidance the positivity the guidance kirangi take charge and okay on the like ma the sun card lead okay next 7 days kirangi chidu blessings the sun card kirangi ta kharre tochi tigi mindu te sama dik toge dup toge okay very positive card is coming for you as a blessings the sun card is coming okay you're going to feel very good be very good being healthy wealthy and happiness okay all you are surrounded by happiness okay surrounded by beautiful energies on the dochila hang sign positive card leader next 7 days kana pay positive okay can I get you to carry the which the team into some day on a summer yapucha to gajin the pay positive card the sun card leader and can I get paid the color in the name for money tended to locally get you on they get some success to dura and can I get it on such a queue and do a secret in day to do blessings okay and can I get inner child heal share similar you make it in the corridor to you and it's heal to okay you're healing whatever you're holding the grudges this can be anything guilt grudges this can be anything you're releasing that for next 7 days and you're going to feel very light happiness peaceful okay for next 7 days this is coming as a blessings okay whatever you have some idea okay you're having some ideas to make your towards your career I see like that and if you have that kind of idea right now then the guidance is that just apply it take action take authority take responsible and take action okay so it's going to be very good for your future self okay on the day dochira this is your guidance and then currently the health health pay positive the health like get satisfaction yapo kirangi not sakani do tigyo ine de kangi sangmal do to ya che be healthy day to ya kirangi satisfaction completion kirangi danda ba health kan la kirangi decision to action do chi lendio and pe yapo chaya next 7 days la hangsa kana satisfaction amanga pe healthy do nga yagala subo pe deu do pe thangbu do danda nan kangi do tyo and major rimba chi pe yapo chaya pe deu chaya thangbu cha on the next 7 days hangsa ya positive thing do okay health kan la positive to relationship ka the lovers card okay relationship will look so very positive okay can I get relationship knowledge is nyok to pato khari dugyo in the next 7 days hang sang understanding mutual understanding respect ra phasu pe sewa openness honesty loyal ra can I get on dit sangmali do relationship na hang sang positive thing do okay chitane love life relationship in secret kyo ki mera den de in secret yana pama pinjing yin do ta sui ne so so yin yo chura de ging do a positive relationship to do okay kan next 7 days hang sai ya pudu ta de gesi madu wa do chun gyo and get sim de go min do okay your relationship looks so very good especially towards your love life okay very honest positivity openness okay loyal respect towards each other mutual understanding everything looks so good for next 7 days okay even if there's some issues some small issues in the relationship everything's going to vanish and going to feel very good in a relationship okay and even if you don't have the love life or this thing then you can meet a person this is also possible right can again so relationship and it which interests you singly interest you in a mingle chai chance to okay next 7 days 10 day yung si ani yana kirangi da relationship ya puchaya yana kirangi pama binje dizungam the pay connection ya puchaya ra if you are having some issue with your relationship with your family members then that's going to be very good for next 7 days that's going to feel more positivity in a relationship okay for next 7 days hang sa ya pe positive relationship ya the health hang sa ya satisfaction to next 7 days ra pe positive card less career chola ra career chola good news kirangi opportunity enti koyo samna opportunity enti ligi kirangi kale enti gasha na tibu pe apodhong do kirangi shugo enti chiru good yo na pe positive ligi do kirangi da business enti che chik ching ni la ni shugo enti tanga yola da so approval chaya ta kangchi to ne pe positive hang sang enti da kinanzo really health yapudu relationship yapudu career yapudu mama next 7 days the chirdan kiranzola sun card as a blessings is coming for you that's why everything is so positive for next 7 days okay in a relationship very positive in your health very positive and for your career this is also very positive whatever you have worked for you're going to see the very positive result if you're waiting for some papers to approve you will see the approval okay you will see the positive result approval you will receive the approval and kalore ani your career la hang positive. If you're waiting for some opportunities, then you're going to receive the opportunities well. Okay, next 7 days. And some can also this chick the relationship get on this chick satisfaction make your this kill make your this can you do the ligi me do this negativity tongi me do some gidura then by the next 7 days like can pay positive chitani the lovers card lets us can also relationship the dilil has kare gurra and the blessing kala sun card less oh my god that can the delays and the children in your chin chin and chick don't go current things some of the male chat okay hang sign positivity card hang sign up list only hang sign then the positive card the double the must shora ani next 70 is hang sign positivity to okay ani can I get you to deep down attraction courage can I get attract courage I trusted my powerful intention combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become my reality okay kerangi chirdani ka penging chimo sik penging chimo kidura kari kidula na powerful intention kerangi intention yakpo ke indinga la kerangi yiche chewa na kerangi samlo tangke chura di madu ba yung sigi khora marile dakam si confident kido okay be positive yakpura na I trust la so ichi a powerful intention ra kerangi intention be powerful yo indiga la combined with my faith are enough ra combined with your faith ichira enough to allow my vision to become my reality that can vision chigora that tende chicho tende vision chimbo and kigyo and karene madupa yung sigi kora marile cho kaji intention be yakpore be powerful repeat sangmaris diga aninga ichi use ra so ta soso ilala mo koncho ta soso lo drog nangi la ichi yor konso gi protect che tourist konso gi dingi combine tuk tu du nya chile ka madu bande yung si ko mari la cho den de ki samlo very nice la hang sang ya puri ani animal spirit ki guidance kari ti du ra ki rangi chi okay hog spirit let spirit be your guide de taga rang ti ra kerala dikar de confirmation kili do te kerangi faith ichi shagi yus ra konjo tang so ita de ba che sala ma ina te ichi shaksa dila faith ra kerangi chigi yus ntaktare guide je chukstra kerangi ichin chigi dusta konjo I guide che dur simple ma che let spirit be your guide okay te kerangi chik soso ikali gyago edi gyap sine debudi soso la konjo gi mangre la ni ichi shara spirit la guide che chu lam dun che chu kenan la ra soso ita soso de ba che sa suma de to da yora ta soso ila mo ende onde green tara dente ta soso ita jejun choma ra soso ita sul chik te pa chigyo ai ne ta tin zo gi kenan la guide je to re je chuk la ida guide chire la ni chi shak la ida rang ligi de guidance hang saya yapolis ra ka kenan zo ichi next 70 hang saya yapudu ani kalore kenan zo ichi do reading dangam si soso lo ko message te be ning chimo lin kyo chine lin be ra wa yu la share ani ngendung de la kadak channel la subscribe nang me ba na subscribe ani ngendung de sik pa la thu chi nang nir de chi yong